So good day everyone. So for today we're going to discuss the fitness in 81 to 85. So the answer of 81 is ranges of this oscillation. So C. So Y. So the ranges of oscillation is the distance from the axis or point of suspension where the body seems concentrated while rotating. So it is used in rotational motion and pendulum problems. So in the 82, we have 340 over 350 D. So in gear systems, the pinion rotates faster and experience more wear than the larger gear. Because of this, the pinion is usually made harder than the gear. So the BHN means the Brinell hardness number, a measure of confidence. So this is the answer. So in the 83 1.5 D, so in chain drives, proper spacing between sprockets is important. If sprockets are too close, the chain will not run smoothly and wear increases. So the minimum recommended distance is 1.5. In the 84 aluminum is lightweight and resists corrosion, so it is commonly used in alloys and many engineering applications. It also has good thermal and electrical properties. So last is 250. So heating the inner ring expands it slightly so it can fit easily into the shaft. However, overheating can reduce the hardness and damage the bearing. So this is the recommended temperature range. So that's all.